mini bike race here at Rama. It's about to get real. That's the start button. That's pause. And that tells you to film it. Yep. I need to have the Manic mechanic put a little more horsepower under the hood here, because this little Honda 100 just didn't have it for that two-stroke, did it?
No, it did not.
Yeah, the little 85 had me on the straightaway.
It did.
I started dead last. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Huh?
No, that was smart.
Yeah.
That was smart, because then if you're
See what everybody's doing.
Yeah, it would have been awesome.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Guys, if you haven't been to this event yet, it's called Rama. Check it out. They got a page on Facebook. And it's just, the people here are so chill, the guys that run it. A lot of the guys, I met Jeff Castine, the Manic mechanic here. I met Justin here. You make lifelong friends here. If you're into bikes, you can come here by yourself. You're surrounded by people that love motorcycles. And I already bought some beauties. What do you see? I bought this Museum Quality CL100. I bought a KZ1000 Street Fighter, a CB550. We're gonna get a trailer load of bikes. We got the Hot Rod Grom here. What's going on, brother?
Right, we back again from last year. Remember? Remember? 150 miles per hour.
You made it on the podium, I think, didn't you? You on the podium?
Maybe we did. Me and you made it on the podium.
All right, man. You got the Hot Rod orange, white, and black Grom. You got the pipe on there and everything? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Building a jungle with sound. Is that big bore?
No, not at all.
125?
Stock engine. Aftermarket pipe. Homemade pipe.
Very cool. That's Ray Luce.
Yeah.
We got the girls class on the line here. Never underestimate a woman with a mini bike. Look at that thing. And they're off. Suzuki two-stroke RM85. Definitely got the power advantage. And she passes for second. Oh, she's on the gas, Hard on the brakes, coming around the chicane to the front straightaway. And it's on. Oh, she's not letting off. It's about, oh, she takes the lead. Bringing home the win on the 125 two-stroke rules. I feel the need for speed. The thrill of victory. All smiles. Stop over and check them out.
I fucking love this shit, man.
Ride her down, ride her down.
I'll be all right tomorrow.
You got a little bloody?
A little blood. Oh man, that's gonna hurt.
You got some rocks in it.
He built.
I might have missed it, but he got it, man.
That's fucking hot.
That's badass. That's right on the edge.
You gotta put that in a museum.
Oh, that's a good one. What happened?
You all right?
What happened?
You alright?
Rode a wheelie.
Yeah, you didn't
You sure did.
You didn't die.
Oh yeah, little road rash.
You gonna put that on YouTube?
Hell yeah.
Of course you are.
Yeah. Hot dog. corner, the bar to bar, coming down the straightaway. Woo! Ripping. Little technical difficulty here. The thrill of victory, the agony of defeat. Minibike madness. It's ripping. Mini is ripping, lapping a few guys here. Looks like he's got the lead wrapped up here. Manco Mini is ripping. What kind of engine you got there?
Tecumseh.
How many horse?
Third.
Absolutely ripping.
463 cc.
That thing-
Board and stroke.
463?
Yeah, board and stroke from a 357.
That thing hauls ass. It lapped everybody. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, that was the most fun I've had in a long time racing this little mini bike right here. If you've never been to Race Rama, mark your calendar and come next year. This place is row after row after row of awesome motorcycles and memorabilia. A lot of people, a lot of these vendors here camp out like 2 days before. And it's just a good old-fashioned country fun. Race Rama, Spencer, Mass.